everyone, welcome to Pep Coding. So the question which we are going to solve today is called print stair paths. First, let us understand the question and then we'll head over to the solution. So we have been given a number n, and the number n is representing the number of stairs in a staircase. We are standing at the bottom of the staircase and we are allowed to climb 1, 2 or 3 steps in one move. That means that at one time I can either go for 1 step, 2 steps or 3 steps. We have to complete the body of the given function and we have to print the list of all the paths that can be used to climb the staircase upwards. And we can use this sample input and output. Okay, so let's see what we have to do. Suppose we have been given that the number of staircases for us is equal to 3. Okay, so over here, we are standing at the bottom of the staircase, right? So we are standing at 0th level. I have to go to the 3rd level, right? So from 0th level, I can either climb 1 stair at a time, 2 stairs at a time, or 3 stairs at a time. So if I climb 1 stair first, then I'll go from here once, then once. So one permutation will be 1, 1, 1. Second will be that if I climb from 1, I can go for 1, then 2, right? The second will be 1, 2. Then I can go for 2 stairs first and then 1 stair. And I can also go for 3 stairs at a time. So we can go in these number of ways to the 3rd stair. So let's see this using a recursion tree. So I am standing at the 0th level, right? Let us also maintain a path. I can either climb 1, 2 or 3 stairs at a time. So if I climb 1 stair at a time, I reach the 1st level and the path which I have taken is 1, right? If I climb 2 stairs, I reach the 2nd stair and the path will be 2. Similarly, if I climb 3 stairs, I've reached the 3rd level and the path will be 3. Now, I wanted to reach the 3rd level only, right? I am taking value of n to be 3. So, I wanted to reach the 3rd level. So, this is a correct answer, right? Okay. So, this is an answer for me. Now, moving ahead, I was on the 1st level over here, right? So, from here again, I can take 3 types of jumps. Either 1, 2 or 3. So from here, if I take 1 jump, I'll reach the 2nd level, right? And the path will become 1, 1. Right? Then if I take 2 jumps, I'll reach the 3rd level and the path will be 1, 2. This is again a correct answer, right? Because I needed to reach the 3rd level. Now, if I take 3 jumps from 1, I'll reach 4. I don't want to reach 4, right? So if from here I'll reach 4, my answer will terminate. But it will also be the wrong answer. So I don't want to go with this. From 2, 2, I can take 1, 2 or 3 jumps, right? So from here, if I take 1 jump, I'll reach the 3rd level and the path becomes 2, 1. Again, we have the correct answer and we can mark this as the right answer for us. Then, if I take 2 jumps, I'll reach 4th level. I'll terminate, but this answer will be wrong. Then, I'll go for 3 jumps. I'll reach the 5th level and my path becomes 2, 3. But this will be the wrong answer and the string terminates over here. Now for 2, I can again take 1, 2 or 3 jumps. So from here, if I take 1 jump, I'll reach the third level. String becomes 1, 1, 1. And this will be the right answer. Okay. For 2 jumps, I'll reach the fourth level. String becomes 1, 1, 2. Terminate, but this is the wrong answer. Similarly, here I'll reach the fifth level. It becomes 1, 1, 3. Terminate, but this becomes the wrong answer. So how many right answers do I have over here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And I also have the paths with me. That is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1 and 3. So this is what we have to do. Now, I could take this as another case as well. I can assume that I was on the third level and I have to go to the 0th level. I'll take the same number of steps, right? So again, if I start building the tree, it will give me the same answer, right? So here I'll reach the second level. I'm going down, right? So I'll reach the second level and over here the path will be 1. I'll reach the first level, path will be 2. I'll reach the 0th level, path will be 3. This is a correct answer. From here 1, 2 and 3 steps. Here I'll reach 1, 1, 1. Here I'll reach 0 and this will be 1, 2. Here I'll reach -1 and this will be 1, 3. This is the wrong answer. So I don't want this as my answer. From here 1, 2 and 3 steps. If I take one step from here, I'll reach 0. Answer becomes 2, 1. It is the right answer. From here I'll reach -1, 2, 2. Wrong answer and I'll terminate this. From here I'll reach -2. Answer becomes 2, 3. And this is the wrong answer, so we can terminate over here. Then I'll move for the remaining one over here. 1, 2 and 3, right? So if I go for one step, here I'll reach the 0th level and it becomes 1, 1, 1. And I've reached my destination, so this is the right answer. From here I'll reach -1 and the path is 1, 1, 2. But this is the wrong answer, so we'll terminate. And from here we'll reach -2, 1, 1 and 3. And this is the wrong answer, so we'll terminate. So the right answers which we've gotten is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1 and 3. So see, we are getting the same paths. So now we are going to follow this and we are going to do the code. So over here, I have been given a function with intent and path. So I'll start by taking the input. Now we need to pass the values to the function. So we'll pass in and an empty string to the function because we are making the string for path. Now, while doing recursion, I want that my number of steps can be 1, 2 or 3, right? So if I say that I am printing for myself, I want that 1, 2 and 3 steps should do their own work. So how will I do that? I'll take the function and I'll say that if I print for myself and I take one step, it should do its own work. And to path, we'll add 1. Similarly, we'll do for 2 and 3 steps. Over here, we'll do for 3 steps. Now, There will be a case, as we discussed, where we might reach a point when the value of n on subtracting 1, 2 or 3 can become less than 0. So in that case, we will simply return. We are not going to print anything. We are going to simply terminate from there. And if n becomes equal to 0, that is, we reach the bottom of the stairs, we'll print the path and then we'll return. So now let's try to run this. Okay, so it is accepted. Now we are going to submit this. This is the correct answer. So we discussed about print stair paths today, and I told you what the question is, what we need to do, and how we can implement the solution for it using recursion. So I hope you understood. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to the channel.